Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Have you ever had a screw that was stripped and you didn't know how to get out? Today I'm going to show you how to and how not to do it. Let's get busy.
So this is screw grab. While it will work tightening a screw, it will not work when you're trying to get the screw off. Now this is speed out. This will work. Watch this. You simply just place it in your drill and place it in reverse mode on the drill. Usually you want to start out with the other end and just drill a little hole with it before you start on this end. No, I didn't have to do that because this is a hex screw. Alright, let's get this pain of a screw out. Easy. Look at that. So be sure to check this out. I'll put a link to this in the description.
So how do you remove a strip bolt? Well, I recommend this bolt extractor set from Irwin. You can see here it starts at 3/8 inch and 10 millimeter, and it goes up to 5/8 inch and 16 millimeter. Essentially put that on the back of a ratchet and remove it. So what do you do if you have a broken off head, bolt, or a broken off screw? Well, a left-handed drill bit is your friend. I would get a metal rated drill bit, left-handed, place it in your drill, put it in reverse, and it might take some patience to get it out, but it will come out. I've done this a couple of times and it works and works well. It just takes a little bit of patience.
So let me know your experience with strip screws and bolts down in the comments below. We'll see you next time.